Hello guys, I welcome you all to today's video. It's QDC here again. Okay guys, in today's video we will start a live trading section. Okay, I target how to trade boom and crash, a live trading experience. Okay, we will be placing some trades in this video just for us to see how to analyze the market and place the trade, and that is what we'll be doing throughout this week. We will be checking out each of the asset, boom, crash, 500, 1000 and 300, whichever one that is giving us the right signal is what we're going to follow. Okay, and of course these are some of the things that we'll be checking out in this video. So many people have been asking for an opportunity like this, an opportunity to trade with me, and of course we will be doing that together in this video starting from today. Okay, so before we go fully into it, in case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I use to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the Forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos. Then of course guys, I'll make sure you practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away? And do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So like I said earlier on, we will be checking out how we can analyze the market, and of course how we can trade, how we can place some beautiful orders that will lead into profits. Okay, right from here. Okay, so we'll be checking out all the asset, boom, crash, and okay, let me add boom and crash 300 to it. Okay, let me add it to it, boom, 300. Okay, and crash 300, crash 300. Okay, whichever one that is giving us the right entry point is what we're going to follow. Okay, chart window. Okay, this boom 300, so I'm going to do it for crash also, chart window. Okay, very good. So I'll quickly add my indicator to it. Okay, that is very important. You having a good setup that will help you to have a quick analysis on the market is always beautiful. Okay, so that you won't waste so much time within the market while you're placing trade. Okay, so I'm going to give a few explanation on this so that we get to see how it works. So right now on my chart, I'm having boom and crash 1000, boom and crash 500, and boom and crash 300. Okay, these are the assets I'm having on my chart right now. Okay, so it now depends on the one that is giving me the right signal, and that is one beautiful thing about all these assets. That is why you don't need to force yourself into the market. Okay, if you are not getting the right signal, then you wait for the right signal. Okay, it's always important you follow these. Okay, if you are not getting the right signal, wait for the right signal before you go into it. Okay guys, the first thing I want you to do is to have all these charts open. Okay, just the way I'm opening them, you can see I can move from one chart to another just clicking on the tabs. Okay, below here. Okay, I can easily move from one chart to another. Okay, then another thing is that you can use the same time frame for each and every one of them. Personally, I love starting from M5. Okay, so I will be using M5. Okay, so quickly, if you can have a good setup that can help you to analyze the market effectively without wasting time, make sure you have it on every one of them, because that will help you to have a uniform look, and you will be able to say the one that is giving you the right signal and the one that is giving you a wrong signal. Okay, so you will be able to pick it up right from the beginning without wasting time. Okay, and of course if you are not having any of these, you can go for the 3M trend milker indicator. Okay, it will help you a lot. Okay, it will help you a lot. This is very important. Okay, so once you go for once you go for this, you will be able to analyze the market successfully without any hiccups. Okay, so for those of you who are not having the 3M trend milker, okay, there is a special promo going on right now. Okay, you can get it at 50% discount of its actual price. Okay, you can contact me to know about that. Okay, there is a way I try to get a plug for you guys, so that you guys some of you guys that are not having it will have access to it. Okay, so that is very important. So you can ask me for that, so that you can benefit from it while the promo is still going on. Okay, once the promo is over, the price will jump back to its normal price, so you can ask for that. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So for us to place our order, right now we are not trading the spiky part. Okay, we are not trading the spiky part. We just want to focus on the normal trend, and thereafter, maybe towards the end of the week, we can see how we can trade the spiky part. Okay, there is one thing you should take note of. Okay, let me quickly go back to the jam board, so that we can make use of the jam board for a few explanations, since we have more of an intro video today. Okay, so I'm going to clear this frame. Okay, let me declare this frame. There are some things you need to take notes of. Okay, the first thing is your trend. Okay, make sure you know the right trend for each of these assets and to trade the right direction. Okay, and that's the trend, your trend, and then you know your support and resistance level. Okay, your support and resistance level, that is very important. That will help you to know your entry points and your exit points. Okay, it will help you to know your entry point and your exit point. Okay, that is very important. Okay, so once you are able to do this, put all this together, then you will be able to milk the market successfully. Then of course, there is also one more thing that is always important: your lot size. Okay, your lot size is also very important. Make sure your lot size is the one that your capital can control. Okay, make sure your lot size is the one that your capital can control, because there will always be pullbacks in between the trading activity. Okay, so quickly let's see how we can go about it, since we are not trading the spiky part at the moment. Okay, so definitely the right trend for boom is when the market is going on downtrend. Okay, is when the market is going on downtrend, while for crash is when the market is going on uptrend. Okay, is when the market is going on uptrend. And of course, it is always better when this comes from a major resistance level. Okay, and while when this comes from a major support level, but spikes usually happen in boom from the support zone, and while spikes usually happen in crash from the resistance zone. So all these are very important for you to take note of. Okay, once you are able to study this formula here, okay, you will be well guided at the end of the day, and you have a successful trading activities. Okay, so quickly let's get back into business. Okay, we will be going back to the chart to see how we can analyze the market. We can see right from here, this is boom 1000, and I'm on 5-minute time frame right here. It got to a resistance zone, but it couldn't break through, it went back into a downtrend. Okay, we got our sell signal here, even though there was a pullback around there that got to this resistance zone, but it has broken out from there and it's going back on downtrend. So this is going back on downtrend. Before we can have a major pullback, it should be around the support zone within here. It should happen within here and here. Okay, and this side. Okay, but another thing I want you to take note of is that because this is around the support zone and probably placed an order and it got there and it spiked up, does not mean it will still not break out from there. So definitely it will break out from there. But if you don't want to be involved in the spike at all, definitely you should put your entry point, I mean your exit point signal before this support zone. Okay, so I'm going to use this one as the exit points area. Okay, let me use magenta color. So maybe that means you should put your take profit somewhere here where the purple color is. Okay, but if you are using the right lot size, you can leave it open. It will spike up, but it will still go back to break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it will continue with the trend. So right here we can place our order. Okay, I'm going to place order in different forms. Okay, let me place the first order. I'm going to use 0.5 lot size right here. So I'm going to input sell right here. That's the first way to place order. Okay, you leave it open. Okay, another way is, okay, let's say you want to place order and you want it to close it before the support zone where we are most likely to have spike. You copy the parameters for this horizontal line. Okay, you copy this code right here. So I'm going to copy it right from there, and of course I'm going to go to new order and place it at take profit. Okay, so that is going to close my order for me. Once it gets there, it's going to close the profit for me once it gets there. So take profit is already showing there. Okay, for that. Okay, so I'm going to leave that open. You can see how I did my analysis. The first thing was I consider the trend. Right now it's on downtrend. And the next thing was I check out the resistance zone. It is coming from the resistance zone, even though it has started it already. And here is our entry point signal. It had a pullback around there which didn't go for long. And right now, even though the arrow is not showing around here, but the flag has changed to red already, so it shows that it has continued with the downtrend and it is going down already. So I can place my order easily around here. Okay, the same thing is applicable if this, let's say this is not giving me a clear signal at the moment. That shouldn't stop me from checking other assets. Okay, you can check out boom 500. For now, boom 500 is on uptrend at the moment, so it's not the best time for me to trade boom 500. So all I just need to do is just to leave this till since I'm not trading the spiky part, so let me leave it till it is going to give me the best opportunity to trade it. Okay, but for crash 1000, it is giving me a very good signal. Okay, just came out from this ranging area and it has been going up, just need to break out from here. So this is more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So once it goes a little above this candle, this particular candle, I will be placing a buy order and it will continue from there. Okay, of course this will have been the best way for me to place my buy order where I have my arrow popping out, but since it has happened already, that does not mean I cannot still come in. Okay, because I still have a longer way to go. Okay, it still needs to get to this resistance zone before I can have a pullback or a turnaround in price action. Okay, so that is very, very important. So let's check other asset. This is crash 500. It would have been better if I had seen this trend right from the beginning, but it has gone far already at the resistance zone. We might it might be going back into a downtrend any moment from now, except if it breaks out from the resistance zone. So at the moment I will have to wait for that to happen. Okay, either the breakout or a turnaround from that. And so this is not the best time to buy crash 500. Okay, you just wait for it to take that decision. Okay, so that is how to analyze your market. Okay, so let's check out 300, boom 300. This is boom 300. The best time for me to come in is around here where we are, this arrow popping out, but I've missed the opportunity already. It has gone far and the market range around here, and it has got into this support zone, okay, which is a major support zone. We don't know if it's going to break out from there or not, so it's led to this pullback and range around there for a while. Right now it is approaching that support zone again, but very close to it, so it's not the best time for me to go into it also. Okay, so I needed to either break out from here or have a total turnaround in price action. So let's wait for that to happen before we can place another order. I'm just trying to let you see how you can analyze the market. Of course, we've placed some trade already. Okay, sometimes I always place multiple trades, but I'm not going to start with that on these, okay, because there are so many newbies out there. I don't want them to burn out their capital. Okay, so right here is a buy trade, started from here, got to this region, pulls back, then went back again, but this time around it has ended the trend around here. Okay, at this resistance zone we can see that it's going back on downtrend, even though it had a little pullback around there. So all these are very, very important. We just need to take note of all these in order to have a successful trading journey. Okay, guys, like I said, this is just an intro. In my next video I will be sharing with you how you can do more with this. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell to all notifications. That way you all will be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.